Hey guys, Terence here. Today I want to show you guys a project I picked up a couple days ago. Wish us luck, Christine. We only got two straps. And it needed some work, minor work, but I got it for next to nothing. Somebody told me that they seen it for sale and that they wanted little or nothing for it. Really nice truck. It's an '05 Avalanche. I'll show you guys the issues right now. You guys, it's not a bad truck at all. The bonuses with this truck: brand new battery, a Western plow entire setup, the harness, which I know costs some money, and the mount. So those are bonuses. I didn't think they were on there. Little plugs for the both plugs, and it runs good. The engine is pretty strong, but it has a misfire. One of the cores are bad, but as you can see, they look like they've never been touched. I'm changing all cores, all spark plugs, all the wires. Let's go on this side. I'll be uploading a video of it. Yeah, those cores have never been changed. Or the spark plugs, look like, or the wires. So I'll be changing all of that soon. I've ordered all the parts already. They should be here tomorrow. So I'll be changing that. Of course, I'm gonna change the oil. I know they just said the oil has been changed. This was a company truck, so somebody took the flares off. But other than that, it's not a bad truck at all. I'm pleased with the purchase. This is Z71. This has some scratches and stuff on it. I had to peel the letters off the company, but I mean, it's a fairly clean truck, man. No. The interior is not bad at all. There's a DVD player up there, remote start. It has 190,000 miles on it. It's just not bad, but you know, I can use it for just to pull my trailer to save some miles from being on my truck. So 3-stage sunroof. I say the interior is not bad at all. Paid next to nothing for it. I mean, I literally paid next to nothing for this truck. It drives really smooth, extremely smooth. Interior is, like I said, decent. It drives very, very, very smooth. So the issues are, as far as the misfire, it needs just a good tune-up on it. Good tune-up. This will run perfect. And the brakes are terrible. So what I did was picked up just bought some PB Blaster. I'm gonna set my phone down. I'm gonna prop it up. I don't want to skirt it, but I'm gonna try to prop it up here so you guys can see what's gonna happen in a second. Let me try to see if I can get it. Pay attention to right here. Okay, let me check this PB Blaster up. This stuff is incredible. So I just ordered just now all new steel brake lines. It's gonna be a hell of a job to replace all of them. I'm doing one by one, and this is a big job too, because all the lines look awful. I was seeing where I could cut it and try to fix that little one line, but there's even a leak in the back, and I'll show you guys in a second. But since I got the PB Blaster, I'm spraying everywhere where they connected it. I'm changing all up. I bought the entire kit. So let's go into here. Okay, I sprayed that just now. I'm gonna spray it again. These are where all the lines go. Spray it some more. Since it'll just sit for a few days until the parts come. And let me show you guys the back. Okay, see that? That's not spray. That's the line is also leaking right there. So that's what made me opted to change all the lines instead of trying to do that one fix. It's gonna be a big job. I'm gonna try to do it without removing the gas tank. I'm just gonna come over them lines, I'll cut them and force them and get them up there somehow. But I need to spray back there. So we're gonna get all the lines replaced. Like I said, I'll do one at a time, but these two back ones, I'll run these two back ones. And they already shaped, which is great. So I ordered the kit, and I'll show you guys the kit and the model number. But yeah, I'm pleased with this purchase. Not a bad truck at all for the tiny bit of money I spent for it. So I'll be fixing it when the parts come, and I'll show you guys all the parts, all the things that I'll be doing. I'll also show you guys when I fix the coils and show you how the parts for those as well. The coils, the spark plugs. I bought some iridium spark plugs and wires. Yeah, coils, wires, and spark plugs. So stay tuned for all those videos. Just want to show you guys this little project I got. And I'll be fixing my Dodge shortly as far as the oil control valve. So, Terence, I'm out.